Hey man, been working on this IronMan build. I just gave out episode 3 of well, maybe not, you might not want to say episode 3, but just the third update, and I had my boys, my son and his two cousins, demonstrate the pieces that I had going on. And I just thought I'd like to hit one more time on the arc reactor, and I've seen how these nice technical ones were put out, showing you going from a mold and and pre-designing it, and then from like uh just a fan's point of view, it's like seeing it. It's like I would have design one and just throw one together, and in honor of the whole comic comic book hero type thing or whatever, and being able to look at something physically and say, hey man, this is the thing that how it is for our superhero or whatever story or science fiction deal, whatever it is that you're going into, you know. But so far, this has been my particular build as far as that's concerned. I'd show you the guts in it. I'd done hot glued it. Hindsight is 2020, okay, per se. But I'm gonna do a few. I got to do the lines in here to finish it. But I did do this, and I showed that in the earlier builds, explaining it a little bit, and where I modified this and stuff like that. Touch on the whole concept of using the palladium and all that, and how he made it into a ring and stuff, and then soldered wire in a sequence with spacing involved and stuff like that, sort of kind of like a magnetic, sort of like a magnetic type generator, with coiled wires and all that, for the effect of generating power and whatnot, as kind of for effect, though. If seeing it in action is kind of cool, as an overall feeling of limitless energy per se. That's kind of like the ultimate goal for something like that. That'd be great. I mean, for the storyline, he had to use it to help humanity, as a type of weapon, but it was a protective, as a defensive device, not so much as a weapon, because of some of the effects that it can do and all that. Which that's got a lot of beauty in there. I saw some of the effect when I'm sitting there looking at it, and I thought I'd share the same effect. Okay, I'm gonna turn the light out. That's the best effect of all. Start out from darkness and all that, and creating the light, which is the beginning of it, is just building up and all that, and the energy source. Arc reactor on. Ah, got an awesome glow. Bringing it a little bit closer to home, stabilizing. Increasing energy density, adding more flux. Oh yeah, reaching 100%. Freaking awesome. Like a proud parent. Whole notion of limitless energy, lasts you so many lifetimes. Yeah, for the purposes of heart protector, something that create energy. Yeah, that's a viable solution there. There's definitely energy. Turning down the power, reducing the flow, stabilizing it a little bit. Here we go. Arc reactor off. That was very cool. I thought I'd share that with you, kind of like update number 3a. And I'll have a few more things once I get to the next update, number 4, showing some more paint done on there and a little bit more modifications into the helmet for a proper fit. Okay, good deal.